show you how to make a bird feeder. You will need a hole puncher, a water bottle, string, stick, bird food and scissors. You need a parent if you're struggling, so you just cut under this line, the sticker. Be careful, it's very sharp. You need to punch a hole on every side of the square. Can you see that hole? That's why you need this. Make sure you press hard on the hole punch, otherwise it won't make a hole. It won't break. Once you did your holes, put your stick through like I did, gently. Get a piece of string, cut it. It doesn't need to be too long, too short. Just so it can fit on the branch. Bye. If you're not really good at tying knots, ask a parent to help you. See, that's how I'm holding it up. This is how you put it on a branch. Next, fill your bird feeder with any type of seed or nut. But it might be quite a messy job to do. And there you have it, your own recycled homemade bird feeder, eco-friendly. Bye!